The Mercedes-Benz C300 service indicator alerts you to upcoming maintenance needs. This system helps ensure your vehicle stays safe and reliable. As seen on your dashboard, it displays messages like "Service Due" or shows remaining mileage until service is needed. The system operates through the vehicle's electronic control unit, monitoring driving data to predict when maintenance is required. For models from 2016 onward, you can use the Mercedes-Me app on your smartphone for diagnostics and even remote resets, making maintenance management more convenient. It's crucial to complete the required maintenance first. Resetting without proper service can void your warranty and may lead to costly repairs later. Always prioritize your vehicle's health. The reset function only clears the service reminder from your dashboard. It doesn't change your vehicle's actual maintenance needs or health status. For most C300 models, follow these steps to reset the service indicator. First, park the vehicle safely on a level surface and turn the ignition to position 1, with accessories on but engine off. Press the menu button on the steering wheel repeatedly until service appears on the display. Use the steering wheel controls to select Confirm Service or Reset. Hold the OK button on the steering wheel for 5 to 10 seconds to confirm the reset. Turn off the ignition completely, then restart the vehicle to verify the reset. For C300 models with MBUX system from 2018 and later, use the touchscreen method. Navigate to Vehicle menu, then Service, then select Reset. Before resetting, verify your service history using the Mercedes-Me app to ensure critical maintenance isn't skipped. If you're unsure about any step, consult a certified Mercedes-Benz technician to avoid potential issues.